Hello everyone, LTS is back with another video for you guys. So today on the bench we have this CreationSpace electric screwdriver. I have bought this one just to replace this thing. This is some very old, I think this was Xiaomi wow stick, and this is micro USB, and this one it's just very flimsy and also do not have any power, you know. So I will just replace that one with this device. And this device I bought because it is quite good and actually has a USB-C cable, and it is chargeable. It's a chargeable actually device and uses USB-C. Yeah. And let's see. I do not remember what kind of model it is, but I think it's something like CP 02 or 0208 or 802, something like that. Let's see. Yeah, this one is with the clip. Okay. Do we have something more? Yes, we have a little chuck for I think right over here we have some drill bit. Yeah. What kind of drill bit do we have right over here? And there's only one? No, we have not one. Right over here, let's see. And I think there is another one. Okay. I think this one is 1 millimeter. Let's check. No, 1.5. Then I think it will be 2 millimeters. Yeah. And this one is 2.5. Okay, so quite not bad, yeah. But let me just confirm what model it is. Oh, okay, so it is CreationSpace CS0802A, if someone would like to buy. Of course, this one is from AliExpress. I have lots of those cables, so this one is not required for me. Okay, so what do we have right over here? We have some disassembling tools. This one is okay for different angle. Unscrewing, screwing also something. Yeah, we have a little tweezers, not very nice ones, but I think those were as a bonus. The magnetizer for the bits, yeah. And this is for the very small bits that I do not see right over here. Whatever. Okay, so the most interesting part is main unit. We have 3 positions for the torque. Yeah, so first position is and torque at the first gear is 0.15. So 0.15, 0.3 or 0.4 and 0.6 Newton meters. All right. This one is a bit sticking right over here. We have some small light. That's not very nice that they used that black tinned plastic right over here, because we lose some light. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, from the sound you can hear that this tool has some power actually. Maybe we can do some tests. In my toolbox I have this thing, and we have some screws, bigger two, yeah, and some long one. Let's see if this device can handle those. This is a bit stupid, you know, but because for screwing those I would use definitely my drill, not this one. Okay, so what about the bit compatibility? Okay, so let's at first try to screw in the smallest one, yeah. And yeah, it has some torque actually. What about first position? Yeah, but if you want to screw in, yeah. What I don't like in the first place, that this button's sticking a bit. Okay, you know what? Let's see what about other sizes. So for this one, let's use another bit. Yeah, those are magnetized. Okay. Let's try to screw in. This is third gear, maximum power. And that's it. Yeah. What you can do like that. Well, this is not very funny at all. Yeah. But also those screws are very big. And this device is a precision one for doing jobs like I do when I disassembling Walkmans and some mini disc devices, so on and so forth. But this is just for scientific stuff, yeah. And let's try to screw in this one. Yeah, it is losing power quite fast. And if we are in the first gear, yeah, there is no chance. Okay. Just unscrewing things quite good, actually. Bits are also nice, looks not bad. But it definitely have some torque, because if we can, let's do comparison with wow stick. Let's try to screw in. You see, and that's it. And I'm screwing in the same place actually. Yeah. Absolutely no power with this one, yeah. I like this. It has some kick actually. Not superb, you know, but you can use it. Alright, so let's a bit redo the testing for this CreationSpace device, because you have were, I think, not able to see very good how it works. Yeah. Okay, let's try to screw it in. Yeah, we have some torque actually with this one. Yeah. Let's see in the different space. Okay, this is smaller bit. Grab that. Okay, it removes screws very nice. Actually, this is not very nice test for this unit, but you can just imagine how much torque you need to screw that screw in that wood. Yeah. So that's it. I hope that this angle was a bit better. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it regarding this precision screwdriver CreationSpace. This CS0802, I think. Let me confirm that. 0802A screwdriver kit. So if anyone is interested, you can find this basically anywhere on AliExpress, eBay, and so on and so forth. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.